It's not the right species, but hey, first fish. Oh, it is the right species. That's red here. Oh yeah, it's a little red here. Well, good morning. First fish. So we got a few hours today before the rain settled in, and decided to come and do a little red ear fishing. So let's see if we can get on some of them big ones. I'm after them big ones. All right, trying to get dialed in, y'all. Trying to get dialed in. Get my depth right. Easing on down there. See if we can make it happen. There we go. Starting wondering if I was gonna even get on any today. That's a fight there, y'all. Them the ones we looking for. Yes, sir. Not just a monster, but daggone nice. Wake me up then. Wake me up. He'll do. He'll do. He'll do. Here we go with the bass. I don't need to see y'all, buddy. See there, you little knucklehead, you could have been back in the water. Yeah, like you want to stay in the boat, y'all. It's slow today, y'all. Wind is out of the north now. That old front, I guess, is got them messed up. Just put that in the boat. Just kick back, relax, enjoy the scenery. Guided trips coming soon, y'all. Come get you some of this. And on top of coming out here, just kicking back, enjoying yourself, relaxing. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. You get you some of those Shellcracker. That's all I kept today. It's probably 20. And going to the house. Those are all filleters. So I'm gonna fillet. And me and my family is gonna enjoy some fresh, never frozen Shellcracker. Blackened. It just don't get no better. I'll be able to share this with you guys coming soon. Y'all stay tuned. Got a few loose ends to tighten up, and y'all will be able to get out here and safely and comfortably sit back and get on some of these fish and relax. Those of you that have not subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you would. Also, I need everybody, whether you subscribed or not, hit that thumbs up for me. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that thumbs up. Let's get it. So I know you didn't think that I came out here and didn't figure the fish out. So now that I've shown you that I ended up with a nice cooler full of thick back Shellcracker, y'all continue to watch and kick back and enjoy the scenery and learn along with me on what I had to do to entice these fish to bite. It's so amazing, all species of fish, but I found that these Shellcracker have gave me challenges as good or even more so as the crappie do. Let's see what happens, guys. Oh yeah. Bit slow today. But he'll do. Oh yeah. Just beautiful. Gorgeous fish. I like them with that red tab. He didn't want it nowhere close to him. Spit that joker right back at me. Gorgeous. So twerking, the twitching not working. Just a slow reel. I might have to open my old net up. So just a little slow reel is what's enticing them. Oh, look at this thing here, y'all. I'm gonna eat good tonight. They're not real active. Got that blue in him, gold, olive. Look at that blue right there behind that ear tab. Man, these are just that gold that's in there. That's just a beautiful fish. Beautiful, tasty fish. Let me add everything that go with it. So I'm just doing a little really slow reel. Twitching not working, popping it with the car. I mean, it's just different days, different techniques. It's just stuff you have to do. I mean, it's been dead slow. Oh, look at there. I threw it in his mouth. I threw it in that one's mouth. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Running towards me. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. These things here fight. You know, people always say bluegill fight. These things right here. Oh, that's a female there. Oh, look at her. She's knotted up. She is knotted up. Woo! Gorgeous fish. Gorgeous fish. She been eating good. I don't think them eggs, and again, it might be. I think she's just eating good. It's amazing how thick those fish are. It's been a quiet morning, really quiet. I thought I was gonna come do me an early start. It's really my first morning in years being on this lake in the morning time. Always been doing evening trips, and it's supposed to be raining this evening. It's supposed to start raining about 1, so I decided to come early just to get me a few hours in. And the bite started off good, and then it just died. I mean, died all the way. So I've just been doing a lot of scanning, putting that work in, and this little spot here, this little bed here has been really active. So I said, well, let me go and check it out. And using the normal techniques, and it's just, I mean, just would not get a bite. So start changing my technique, and it's been a pretty decent bite ever since I've been doing this. I mean, I'm just barely reeling that carp. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I hope y'all got that. That joker come up on the top. I mean, that joker come up on the top. These things here fight 5 times better than a bluegill, I'll tell you that. Get in here, big girl. And it's just taking your time figuring them out. Look at the blues, gold, olives. I mean, it's just amazing. Then you got that real bright, that super bright ear tab. Amazing. Simply amazing. But we got a front that supposed to be coming through here after a while. It may be what got these jokers feeding now. Gorgeous fish. Got that noisy cooler going on, y'all. Got that noisy cooler. I think that's a fish. That bite right there is the one that you'll miss with a slip carp. That negative bite, and they do it a lot. These fish, bluegill, shellcracker, they do it a lot. Oh yeah, look at that joker there. These jokers here fight like you just, I mean, whoo! Look at that thing there, y'all. Just don't get no prettier than that. With the little jig. I just tied that up last night. I hadn't did a collared jig in a while, but Kim has been tying a little jig he calls a housefly, and I was like, you know what, I hadn't tied that in a long time, so I decided to tie me some last night. And they're working pretty good. And I don't know if you guys, I mean, I'm just barely moving that jig. And that's what it's taking to entice them. And it's like I always say, I mean, when you come out here, just, I mean, if you're not getting bit, do something different. Just change. Sometimes it just takes doing the bare minimum. Sometimes you can just cast it out there and let it sit. It's not my style, because I'm not gonna say I got ADD, but I get impatient and pretty quick. So I'll start moving around if I can't figure them out. Sort of what I did this morning, instead of just slowing down. And slowing down was the ticket. I went and tried sniping me some crappie. I got one really nice white crappie out there in open water. And I'm having to watch these daggone clouds too, y'all. I mean, it's look like they're closing in on me from all sides, so may have to call it here in a minute. And this is one of those lakes that no bridges. I mean, if you get caught out here in a storm, you're gonna have to just deal with it, or get up under some of these trees. There ain't too many trees you can get under. But and I'm not gonna get on the bank. Not all these gators out here. Oh, didn't give him enough time. I'm gonna try something. I'm so in love with that casting now that can't leave it alone. Just can't leave it alone. Just can't leave it alone. There we go. Oh, I had him. Think he'll a smaller one. He didn't feel real big. Man, you never know. The second you think it's a little one, it'll be that 3-pounder. I thought he maybe took my nibble. There we go. That's how I like it. Let me do a little zooming in. Let y'all see that cork go under. Thank you, buddy. Oh, look at here. This ain't nothing but, I tell you what, these little old native bluegills, I'm saying that them red, they'll fight harder, but these little jokers here got some spunk, let me tell you. Look at the colors on that joker. Them jokers there ain't nothing to play with. They're some mean little jokers. And some good eating. He's sitting out there on it, just holding it. Small fish, I don't know what it is. Probably a bluegill. It's just straight bluegill with a little old bitty joker too. I almost gave him too much time. I almost gave him too much time. over there hiding, I see. So I'm trying this little old storm, y'all. It got sun out and look like it's gonna back up from what the way the forecasted radar's going. But we gonna see. I don't like pushing the issue with this weather, but there ain't no lightning, so we're gonna try it, see what happens. All right. Yeah, I hope I didn't wait too long.